Hello and welcome to another video of a unique car model. And what do we have this time? We have the 1965 Shelby Cobra 427S/C, and this is from Jade, big time muscle. What I really like about this car is the color and the finish. The scale of this car is 1:24, which is not a big car, but still it's having not bad details at all. Start with the box here. Sorry about this part here. I already opened it just to make it easier for me on the video here. So let's have a look inside the box. Here it is coming. I can actually take it from here, and let's get rid of the box, and we have a screw. Alright, so here is the car. Oh, the car is really heavy. It's not a cheap model, that's why it's not bad made at all. You can see good level of details. It's open doors, small doors here, and as you can see, not bad at all. Chrome is not bad, finish is good. About the engine, let's check it out. Yeah, engine is nice, details nice. That's the engine. And on the back here, you have a storage, is a trunk. Not bad at all. Steering wheel working? No, not working. I rarely find working steering wheel in the 124 scale. You can see the brakes. It's having a nice red color here. Alright. No, actually I like it. This is the front. Side, back, very nice car, very nice model. Okay, here we have it, the Shelby. Alright, so this is the end of this video for this time. I hope you like it as I did, and see you next time.